How to stop pop up ads on Android. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So, first open your Chrome browser. Then tap on the three dot line from your top right corner. Now go to Settings. After that, scroll down and then go to Site Settings. Scroll down and then you will see an option Pop ups and Redirects. If this is turned on, simply toggle this off and then disallow it. Next, go to third party cookies and then tap on block third party cookies as well. Refresh your Chrome application and your changes will be applied. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.